All right, we got Computex 2026, and we have James at the Klevv Blue SN Core, and we need to show you around some of the new products. So James.
We have the new like high-end Cross VRGB and Cross VRGB, but with the ROG certified, and we have the Cross VRGB Prime. It's like mirror.
Oh, the mirror effect. Yes.
Yeah. And also the Cross V Alpha.
What's the alpha? It's all overclocking.
Yeah, for overclocking.
All right.
And we do the low timing.
Low latency?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So 6,000 speed up to 8,400. These ones are 6,200 to 7,200. Then we have the mirror infinity effect, which is 6,000, 6,400 up to 8,000. And the of course the V Alpha RGB going up to 8,400. Alright, overclocking memory there, very nice. Okay, cool. These are standard gaming memory.
Yeah, standard.
And Bolt 5.
Yep.
And the Bolt 5 Alpha.
Yeah, with non-RGB.
No RGB.
Yeah.
A bit of overclocking there. Cool. Kind of small. And CU DIMMs,
new DIMMs, and CSO DIMM, and SO DIMM.
Oh, this is something I haven't seen before. CSO DIMM.
Yeah, so basically we put the CKD on it.
All right, CKD. Yeah. So clock driver on that.
Yeah.
All right, and then of course these ones we've seen before. These are the Klevv U Rain.
Yeah,
the RGB. Yeah. Cool. All right, so what else do we have?
Gen5.
Gen5 SSD.
Yeah,
with
the
G560.
With the very thick heatsink.
Yeah, so nice thick heatsink there.
Yeah.
For extra cooling there. 14,000 megabyte read speed and 12,000 megabyte write speed. Up to 4 terabyte of storage. PCI Gen5. Nice. And we have the Crash 930, the 930 C930 we've seen before, PCI Gen4, and also the 910G there. Various capacities, Gen4 speeds of course up to 7400, and we also have the other ones which are up to 5200 speeds. Okay, nice.
Yeah, for this one we do very big capacity.
Yeah.
So it's up to 4
terabytes.
Yeah.
4 terabytes. Nice. Okay, we have a mini one.
Yeah,
it's
mini one.
The Gen4.
Yeah, Gen4.
Crash S910 mini SSD. Perfect for
we aim
consoles.
for PS5.
PS5.
Or like maybe
the ROG Ally.
Yeah.
And the MSI Claw, things like that. So, this is the internal 2.5 SATA SSD, and the portable SSD S2, USB Gen 3.2 or USB 3.2 Gen 2x2 portable SSD, up to 2 terabyte capacities and 2,000 megabyte read speed, and 1,800.
Yeah, and it also can do like IP55.
Oh, IP, so waterproof.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, so these are the memories. We've got some live demos here. This is the 4 CU DIMMs. Okay. And also the Crash C925 SSD. So here is demoing the 2 modules.
Yeah.
Running at what kind of speed we're running at here?
80.
Oh, 8,000.
Yeah.
8,000. Running at that speed there. 8,000. 50. Right there. And it's 128 gig modules. That's high capacity.
Yeah, wow. Exactly.
8,000. And look at it. It's right there, running at top speed. 128 gig modules each. All right. Okay, next up, we have this one on here. This is AMD Expo.
Yeah.
So Expo 35 for AMD. And this one is running at 6,000. And you can see that is the Crash V RGB Prime.
With a mirror finish.
So I think you can come around here and take a look at the mirror finish on the modules. Very nice. Okay, and then over here we have the Crash class V alpha RGB, overclocked memory.
Yeah, overclock. As you can see, it can overclock to like
Wow,
10,000.
9200
Yeah.
right there. And these
But
are
right now it's like
running at 10,000.
yeah.
And these are the 24 gig modules. So you notice it's running at 10,000 megahertz per second there. Look at that. Nice RGB. You see that there? And then finally we have another demo right here. This is the Light 5 RGB. And notice there's 4 modules, all fully loaded on the motherboard, fully loaded.
So basically it's like mainstream.
Yeah, mainstream RAM.
Yeah.
But what makes it so different is that these are AMD Expo memory, of course on the AMD platform, and you have 4 modules running at really high speeds, 6400.
And it's like 64 gigabytes.
Yeah, 64 gigabyte modules each. So work out the capacity on that. It's like 256 gigs, right? Yeah. Yeah, 4 times 64. Yeah. 256 gig modules all running there. That's really good. I think that's it from Klevv. Fantastic booth with lots of memory on display, overclocking memory, gaming memory. We have some fantastic looking mods. So that's it from Kev. Thank you, James, for your hospitality, and have a great Computex.
Thank you.